Hello students, this is Ruchi Jain from Shivaji Rao Kadam Institute of Technology and Management. Friends, today our topic of discussion in the series of video lecture is kinds of partnership. Now we will start with the topic. Basically, the partnership firm have different types. Some books have different dividation of partnership firms, some books have different, but I preferred this dividation. This is of partnership two types. First one is general partnership and the second one is limited partnership. Now first we are talking about general partnership. It means it is unlimited liability of all partners. In this type of partnership, the liabilities of partners is unlimited. There is not limit in the liabilities of the partners. They are working in the organization and they are performing their duties with unlimited liabilities. This general partnership is divided in three parts. First one is partnership at will, second particular partnership, and third joint venture. First we are talking about particular partnership at will. Basically, when there is no provision in partnership agreement but the duration of partnership, it is called partnership at will. For example, we can say a particular time period is mentioned in the partnership, or we can say for 3 year, for 4 year. In partnership agreement we will write, if then that partnership is called partnership at will. Such partnership may be dissolved by any partner by given a notice in writing to all other partners. When such a notice is given, the firm is dissolved from the date mentioned in the notice. If no date is mentioned, then the firm will dissolve from the date of the communication of the notice. This is called partnership. As per the communication or in partnership, when we are making the partnership agreement, then in partnership deed, all the details related to this is mentioned. The time period related to the partnership is mentioned, and that is called partnership at will. Now the second is particular partnership. In particular partnership, basically when a partnership is formed for a particular purpose or adventure, such as partnership is known as particular partnership. As soon as the purpose is completed, the partnership comes to an end. If it is continue after the completion of the task, then it become partnership at will. In such cases, the rights and liabilities are the same as they were in respect of the purpose. For example, for the purpose of making of any film, the partnership is created. The film, while making of the film, the partnership is continue. After completion of the, after releasing of the movie or film, then that partnership is closes or ends. That is called particular partnership. It means which is created for particular purpose. Now the next is joint venture. Joint venture is, as the name it says, it is a joint venture. In this, the partners are come together, or some different firms are come together and create a partnership firm, and they are working for any particular purpose, or where two firms partners are come together and make a deed for the partnership for any purpose, then that is called joint venture. Now the next is limited partnership. Limited partnership is the partnership which is unlimited liability of at least one partner. The partnership in which the liability is limited partnership. It, as its name says, it is a limit for a particular with a limit, or the liabilities are limited, but a one single partner has unlimited liability and the other partner are within the limit, then this is called limited partnership. This is also another type of partnership. So friends, this is all about types of partnership. Now we are talking about, in the continuation, now we are talking about the kinds of partners. What are the kinds of partner, or how many partners are, how many types of partners are available for a partnership. Now in this series, first, sometimes the partners are divided according to the liability of the partners. Sometimes what they are working in the organization, on that basis the partners are divided. So it is according to the dealing, or we can say according to the deeds, the partners description are mentioned in the partnership deed, and all the rights even though what they are doing in the organization also mentioned in the partnership deed. So now we will start with the types of partner. First I will talking about active partner. The active partner is the partner who are actually working in the organization, who is performing all the tasks or all the works related to all the works in the organization is called active partner. Now the next is dormant partner. Dormant partner is called the partner who is actually a partner who does not take active part in the production or business of the firm, is known as sleeping partner, or we can say it is also called as dormant partner. Now the next is, but profits of the business are shared with them, and they invest capital also in the business and profit is also shared in them, but they are not working in the organization, is called dormant partner. We can also say it as sleeping partner also, or silent partner also. Now the next is nominal partner. Nominal partner is a partner who leads his name to his firm without having any real interest in it, is called nominal partner. Basically he does invest capital in the firm, also he does take not but also not take active part in the management of business, or we can say nor not share its profit, and but has share its profit, it is called nominal partner. Now minor as a partner, when some kids or a person who is of under age of 18 years is become the partner, then that partner is called minor as a partner. But in that minor's case, partnership, basically they are enjoyed profit, but they are not having any kind of decision making authority in the business. Next is retiring partners. Retiring partners is like a we can say nominal partner. They are part of the business, they are working in the business, but at the retiring stage they are not have any authority, or they are not actively participate in the organization, they just enjoy the profit. Now the next is new partner. When some in already existing in a partnership firm, and if a new person is appointed as a partner, then that partner is called a new partner. Then next is quasi partner. Due to sudden situation, or we are not prepared for making with someone's partnership, but due to situation or due to happening of any kind of event, we make any person as partner, then that is called quasi partner. Suddenly which the person comes in the organization without any reason or without any kind of situation arises and he becomes the partner, then that is called quasi partner. Then next is senior partners. Sometime in organization the partnership is divided in senior and junior, where seniors have the authority of making decision, they have the power of making strategic decision, then that is called senior partner. Next is major partners. Sometime in organization the partnership is divided in two parts, the major partner and the minors partner. In that case, major partners are the persons who have the authority in dealing in the organization, who have the signing authority and all the authorities related to the business, and minor partners are just enjoying the profit as compared to major partner. This is called major partners. Then salaried partners. Sometime in organization, what some partners says, if we are working in the organization, then we should earn something. Then that earning, in spite of the profit, what if they are getting some salary from the organization for doing the work in the organization or for doing work in the firm, that is called salaried partner. When we paid some salary to the person, then that is called salaried partner. The next is sleeping or silent partner. Same as it is the person or the partner who are partner in the organization but not working in the organization, who are sleeping, who are working just for earning of the profit, and does not they are investing capital, they enjoy profit, but they have no liability or no debt of the firm. All the decision making, all the secrets of the outsider dealing, everything are not known by the sleeping partner. This is called sleeping partner. So friends, that's all about the types of partnership and types of partner. Thank you very much.